Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Azure Active Directory for Azure Databricks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Azure Active Directory for Azure Databricks, start by logging into the Azure portal. Navigate to the Azure Active Directory section. In the left-hand menu, select App Registrations. Click on New Registration to create a new app. Provide a name for your application in the registration form. Set the redirect URI to the URL for your Azure Databricks workspace. Click Register to create the application. Once created, make a note of the application client ID. Next, locate the Certificates and Secrets option in the left-hand menu. Click on New Client Secret to generate a new secret. Add a description and set an expiration period for the secret. Click Add to create the client secret. Make sure to copy the secret value right away, as it won't be shown again. Return to the app registration page and take note of the directory, tenant, ID. Now open the Azure Databricks workspace. In the workspace, navigate to User Settings. Under the Access Tokens tab, click on Generate New Token. In your preferred development environment, install the Azure Databricks CLI if you haven't done so. Configure the CLI by running the command, Databricks configure token. When prompted, enter your Databricks workspace URL. Next, input the token you generated earlier. To authenticate using Azure Active Directory, use the command azlogin. Follow the prompts to log in with your Azure credentials. With successful authentication, your Azure Databricks environment is now configured. Verify the connection by running a simple Databricks command. If everything is set up correctly, you should receive a successful response. You are now authenticated with Azure Active Directory for Azure Databricks. Remember to keep your credentials secure and manage access appropriately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.